If you're new, welcome back to the oldie but goodies. Yeah. Today's a different day and I am scheduled to record my, first of all, just to drop off. So may I start now. Like I'm like, let me just start it now. I'm scheduled to do like a quick car tour thing. And then we wake up and everything, the sun did out. I didn't check the weather at all because I'm like, I'm just not gonna get up, I'm just not gonna just do. We're just not gonna just do. And the sun gone. And it's like gloomy outside. But I'm still gonna do it. If it not record properly, I'm just delete it. If I don't like it and do it over. And hopefully the rain will fall. Maybe I should check the weather. I probably should do that. But yeah, I'm gonna drive to the location now for the record. The seat all I get dark already. I wonder if this is a sign. Like, is this a sign to say I'm not supposed to do it? But then I was like, no, that's not a sign. Maybe the sign is, or maybe not a sign, maybe it's a test of discipline to see, because sometimes you have to do the things them when the odds are against you and when you don't want to do it and when you feel like it at them time that you need to do the things them. Not always, not only when you feel like it you need to. I feel like at them time to test your discipline and test your consistency, like when you're in the mood and you just do the things same way. So I go to the record when I can record. We might can use some, I might not. Let's see. All right, so I'll pick it back at the beginning of the car tour. So I'm at the spot. The sun is peaking. It's peaking, which is good. It's usually the time. Never mind, but the sun is peaking, so I might need to put the car in the shade when I should have parked it in the sun. But the reason I'm never parked in the sun is because there's a whole bunch of distraction behind it, whereas in the park it this way, it's like a wall, you can't really see anything, and less distraction, no cars beside it type of vibe. So let's do that. I might have to take a look at thumbnail. No, alright, I don't like that. But I'll stand up in front of it and take a thumbnail. Whew. Why am I still sitting here? Okay, let's do this. So I just finished trying. Alright, I'm gonna need a new tripod, so that's something I keep on and drop down. Yeah. New tripod one day. Anyways, I just finished record the car tour, and I'm now trying to take a picture. I'm gonna decide to take off the jacket. I'm gonna take the picture again. But if I change my GoPro, I have to change the GoPro batteries out. I feel like I do this in a real life. Yeah. Feel like I do this in a real life. Alright, let's switch that out while I'm there. I like the location. I like the little park area I'm choose because there's not a lot of people here, and even if there were, so what? No, not so what. I probably would have been like, and I'm gonna do this, but it just makes it a bit easier, you know. And there's less people here. Alright, so let's go ahead and add in GoPro to the mod. Come on, get a little clip area for it, and then we can like that. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfection. Wait, the wrong way. I have a few more hours. First of all, it's early. See how much things we get done and not even. And 11 o'clock good yet, you know? Oh, bad. The next time I buy a tripod, I'm gonna just either go big or go home. So the next time I buy a tripod, I'm just gonna go big or go home. It actually I get like a chilly, so that means that the rain probably soon come. But the rain not stop nothing. I mean, I gotta do this. Well, it will stop it, but I'm not gonna use this as an excuse. Since the sun not out, I'ma still record. And to be honest, I might still just post this exact video when I put up on my record. We'll see. Okay, car tour is done. I'm telling you this. When I watch this car tour, I can't make a pay for the car. So but watch the whole of my video. Anyways, I'm about to begin another sit down talk for this video, for this channel. Lighting is lighting. So I record about 1, 2, 3 videos, probably 4 videos. So now it's time for me to go back to the house. I don't know. Yeah, sometimes people go back to the house because guess what? Damn. Yeah, I have to go back to my house because I don't have my swim clothes because I could have went straight to the pool. So I have to go home, you know, sit down a little bit, get my swim stuff, drink some water, and then wow, I'm off. Big up myself. All right. It's like, all right, I just finished swimming today again. I don't know if we did record the entrance to this. It's a weekend vlog, but I just finished doing my swimming again, and now it's time for the drill. I don't have my swim cap, so I rinse up my hair. Not no deep washing, conditioner of course, and then head back to the house. Out of the shower now, of course, and finally have my hair towel because I kept leaving it at home. So now it's time to get dressed. I'm gonna take my record all of that, but yeah, I'm just check in because it took me like a while to wash the hair. It took me like 20 minutes. Alright guys, I am in the car, hot like fire, literally hot like fire. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap up my head so it can go and dry, and I'm gonna wrap towel, and then after that I'm gonna go. I mean, well, not after that. What am I saying? I'm gonna head home now, you know. Everybody there home today, so I actually gonna try and clean out the car. Like, me even do the car tour, the dirty car. I'm gonna take out my mat, them and them something there, vacuum when you for vacuum and dust down when you for dust down, you know, make it look decent. So I can sort that out now. Home sweet home, and I'm now gonna vacuum up this place, clean this up a little bit. Well, the car at least.